Why, hello. So I figured I could come on, play a little guitar, and tell a couple stories. So this is called Story Time with Toby. And my name's Toby. So me and my brother, we've been trying to be good, like with eating a little healthy and stuff. You know, him way better than me, so I've been piggybacking off all that. So occasionally we'll go and order something out. So we decided on some pizza. So my brother puts everything in, comes to the house, and there's no cheese on the pizza. It was just pepperoni. And so it's just like, just crushing. You're like, oh, come on, I can't even get cheese 2020? Like, not even cheese on a freaking pizza? So, but we're just shaking our heads and stuff like that as we're eating it, but it's just, every pepperoni's just... So, but it is what it is, you know, gotta roll with the punches, so... But I say that because then doing laundry like a week after that or whatever like that, so loading my stuff in the big... dryers so I could get everything done in as little time as possible. So dude next to me is loading everything up in the same thing. Does like 3 loads in the little cart to try and load up. And then finally he's ready to hit spin and it says out of order on that one. And I just hear this sigh and I just look over because I know the sigh. It's that 2020 sigh that just like, oh God, one more thing, like for real? And so I was like, yeah, man, but then it's just like, what do? You gotta just roll with the punches, so, but then I had the chance to tell him the no cheese story too, so we were both just kind of just had to do that, shake my head and nod, and gotta move on, so. But, you know, it is what it is, so, but hopefully my cheeseless story on a lovely pepperoni pizza had the ability to entertain you just a little bit. Next time.